Okay, so it said given that that's a factor of the polynomial, find the value of a. Okay, so my way of doing this is to say, well, we know that if we put, instead of z, if we replace z with 1 take I root 3, 1 take I root 3 squared plus a upon 1 take I root 3 take 8, we should get 0 because we've been told that that is a factor. And you can go ahead and you can use your CAS calculator. There are other ways of doing it as well to expand that. Okay, but using CAS, a will equal 8. Okay, now the next thing you're going to have to do is then to factorize this. So if we know that z take 1 plus I root 3 is a root, there must be the complex conjugate of that as well. Minus 1 minus I root 3 must also be a root. And if you use your CAS calculator to do that, you end up with z squared take 2z plus 4. I'm not saying you have to use your calculator, it's just a lot quicker to do so. And you know that z take away, let's call it alpha, times by z squared take 2z plus 4 equals z cubed take 4z squared. We found out a was 8 plus 8z take 8. You could also factorize it on your class pad anyway. And you discover that it's z take away 2. Z squared take 2z plus 4 equals 0. We already knew what this was in terms of these two brackets, so you know that z equals 2 and it equals 1 plus or minus I root 3 as our solutions. And I know that seems like a lot for 7 marks, or not a lot for 7 marks, but actually you've done a fair amount of thinking and knowledge has been demonstrated even if you haven't written an awful lot.